Let's learn about adding clips to Kdenlive. Before dragging and dropping files, verify that the Project Bin tab is selected. A clip may include a wide variety of files. It may be a MOV file recorded by my Canon camera. The video editor opens and reads all files from the project bin, but will never modify any source file. If the video format doesn't match the project profile, the resolution or number of frames per second may differ. It will give you a warning. In this case, the original file is at 29.97 frames per second, but the project defaults the video setting to 60 frames per second. Click the switch button to change the project's profile to match the video's format. This is a handy way to quickly match the project's default with the video settings. It accepts phone MOV files, all resolutions and formats. Press Cancel if you prefer to render using the project's current HD configuration. Drag and drop an image file. It always expand or shrink the image to fit. Notice that if the aspect ratio is wrong, the final video will show black bars. You may want to use Kdenlive tools to fix them, or use another photo editor to crop them before adding to the clip. It cannot read iPhone's photos saved in high-efficiency format, which is a huge drawback. Delete the clip by right-clicking File and select Delete Clip. You can use MP4 files from a recorded Zoom sessions. Audio files, even text files. Unfortunately, it cannot wrap the text, making it unreadable. You can't really do much with it. Do not use it for titles and such. The project bin just holds files in the project. To view or listen to them, select a clip and press the play button in the clip monitor. You can organize clips by folders. Right-click and select Create Folder from the menu. Set the name you want. Yeah, I'm a bad speller. To rename the folder, right-click and select Rename from the menu. You can drag and drop clips to the appropriate folders. Another nice way to organize the clips is to simply drag and drop folders to the project bin. You can drag and drop multiple files or folders to the project bin. Expand sequences. Notice that sequence 1 is grayed out. That meant it has nothing to render. The timeline is empty. Let's make this more clear by renaming it Final Render. Use the right click. Add a clip to the timeline. You can drag and drop a clip from the project bin or a clip from Windows folder. Click play on the project monitor and you see how the final render will look.